The periodic table is a cornerstone of chemistry. It's like a giant map of all the known elements in the universe, arranged in a specific way. The elements are organized by their atomic number, which is the number of protons in an atom's nucleus. The periodic table's structure helps us understand the relationships between different elements. It also reveals trends in their chemical and physical properties. The periodic table is divided into rows called periods and columns called groups. Elements in the same group share similar chemical behavior. This is because they have the same number of valence electrons, which are the electrons in the outermost shell of an atom. Valence electrons are involved in chemical bonding. Therefore, elements in the same group tend to form similar types of chemical bonds. Electron gain enthalpy is the energy change that occurs when a neutral atom in the gaseous phase gains an electron to form a negative ion. In simpler terms, it measures how much an atom wants to gain an electron. A high electron gain enthalpy means the atom readily accepts an electron, releasing energy in the process. On the other hand, a low, or even positive electron gain enthalpy indicates that the atom is reluctant to accept an electron. Think of it like this. Imagine a group of friends where one friend always loves receiving gifts. When someone gives them a present, they are overjoyed and release a burst of positive energy. This is similar to an atom with high electron gain enthalpy. It readily accepts an electron, releasing energy. Ionization energy is the opposite of electron gain enthalpy. It's the minimum energy required to remove an electron from a neutral atom in its gaseous state. In essence, it measures how tightly an atom holds onto its electrons. A high ionization energy means it takes a lot of energy to remove an electron, indicating a strong attraction between the electron and the nucleus. Conversely, a low ionization energy suggests a weaker attraction. Imagine trying to take a toy away from a child who is very attached to it. They might hold on tight, requiring significant effort to pry it away. This is like an atom with high ionization energy. It takes a lot of energy to remove an electron because the attraction between the electron and the nucleus is strong. Metallic character refers to how easily an atom loses electrons to form positive ions or cations. Metals located on the left side of the periodic table typically have low ionization energies and therefore exhibit high metallic character. Non-metallic character, on the other hand, describes the tendency of an atom to gain electrons and form negative ions or anions. Nonmetals, found on the right side of the periodic table, generally have high electron affinities and thus display significant non-metallic character. Atomic radius refers to the size of an atom. It's usually measured as half the distance between the nuclei of two identical atoms bonded together. Electronegativity is a measure of an atom's ability to attract electrons towards itself in a chemical bond. Elements with high electronegativity, such as oxygen and fluorine, tend to attract electrons more strongly. Understanding these trends is crucial for predicting how elements will interact and form compounds.